Hi guys, in this video we're going to be asking what is fractional distillation? We'll then look at how fractional distillation works and the different fractions, before finishing off the video with a summary.
If you've watched our video on crude oil, you'll know that crude oil is a mixture of lots of different hydrocarbons, which are molecules that are made up of only carbon and hydrogen. This complex mixture can be split into smaller, simpler mixtures, where each mixture contains similarly sized chains of hydrocarbons. These components of crude oil are known as fractions, and the technique that's used in order to obtain them is fractional distillation. Most of the hydrocarbons that are present within crude oil are alkanes, containing single carbon-carbon bonds, such as the molecules shown here on the left-hand side. These will all be present within crude oil. If we want to separate them out, we use the fact that different lengths of alkanes will have different boiling points, and use an experimental setup known as the fractional distillation column, which is shown on the right-hand side here. Each fraction contains substances that have similar boiling points to each other. Again, if you've seen our video on crude oil, you'll know that the boiling point of an alkane is dependent on the length of its carbon chain, with alkanes with longer carbon chains having higher boiling points than alkanes with shorter carbon chains. Because fractional distillation separates substances by boiling point, the substances within each fraction, which have similar boiling points, will also be similar size to each other. For example, one fraction of crude oil might contain the alkanes ethane and propane, where ethane is the name for an alkane with 2 carbon atoms and propane is the name for an alkane with 3 carbon atoms. These will both be contained within one fraction. Because they are a similar size and will therefore have similar strengths of intermolecular forces between their molecules, and this will correspond to a similar boiling point.
Hi guys! To continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE chemistry and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make chemistry at GCSE a walk in the park.